It was an incredible 2 weeks island hopping all around Thailand. Like they say, all good things must come to an end. Alright, good morning guys. What could be our last island hopping vlog out here in Thailand, out in Koh Tao. At the end of this vlog, I'm going to be basically telling you guys a little bit about the budget, how to get to each island, the costs, and the amount of money that you might need to bring out here. Besides that, right now, what we're going to do is rent a motorbike out in Koh Tao and explore the island completely. My toe is kind of recovering, but I don't really want to take a dip in the water, unfortunately, so I think I'll stay out of the water for the rest of the last day or two. Oh yeah, come on. Gotta stop at 7-Eleven. So look, they're 25 baht in Bangkok, but they're 31 baht here, island price. And here's our baby for 150 baht per day, which is actually crazy because I just spent 167 baht on a Haagen-Dazs ice cream. So my ice cream was more expensive than a one-day rental of a motorbike. Time to wake up, time to wake up. I'll try so hard to fade away. And after a 10-minute drive, this island is really, really small. Not as big as Koh Samui. Koh Samui, which we were on earlier, is the second largest island in Thailand. But after a 10-minute drive, we made it to Sairi Beach. We couldn't find anywhere to park or anything like that. We couldn't find any beach entrance. So we found a resort and we parked at the resort. This should be Sairi Beach. It looks like it. Yeah. And there's the reception. I have no idea what resort they're in. So this is Sairi Beach right over here. Wow. And Sairi Beach is Koh Tao's longest beach. It's 1.8 kilometers long and it's the most popular one supposedly. But there's not many people out here whatsoever. So the beach is like all to ourselves. So Sairi Beach was pretty dead. There was us, me, Dustin, two girls, maybe a third girl at the end of the beach, and not much to do out here other than just relax and chill. Again, this is slow season out here in Thailand, so can't really expect much people out here, which isn't too bad. And the weather is phenomenal for slow season. So the reason why it's slow season normally is because it's rainy season. But since we've got to Koh Tao, it's been sunny, 85, 90 degrees, and the humidity isn't that bad. While I'm taking my vlog camera out, the camera doesn't fog up as quick, so not too bad today. We're gonna head a little more north on the road. I know the road ends shortly with some resorts and kind of a dead end, but we're gonna see where the road takes us. Kapung kap. All right, so we made it to Dunsit Bucha Resort. It's one of the 8 viewpoints on Koh Tao where you can see a beautiful view of Koh Nang Yong and a sunset view. All right, so we made it to the Nang Yong Terrace. We're just totally at a resort right now. Oh, there's a gym here we could use. Oh, that is beautiful. That is Koh Nang Yong over there. So they run private taxis, they run ferries to Koh Nang Yong, which is the island right over there. It is absolutely beautiful. There's like a little sandbar that connects both the little islands together. I'm not sure about the price to get there. I'll probably throw it right over here, but it's a short taxi ride, short ferry ride. It's probably swimmable too. Supposedly once you get to the island, they take away your drone remote controller. They don't want any drones to be shot up there, so I'll shoot the drone up over here. Let's get out of here. Oh, this is so beautiful. But man, drone flying takes a lot out of you. Oh, that was awesome. That is Koh Nang Yong right behind me. I got some awesome drone shots just now. As you see, the water is so many different colors. I'm not 100% sure why they don't let you shoot the drone out there, but I didn't have any issues. I shot it around 450 meters in the air, so no one could really see it, but got some epic drone shots. The weather is so beautiful out here. There's no one here, so we just had a photo shoot for ourselves, and it is so nice. I don't even know if I want to, I don't want to get a drink here if you're up for it. So here at the Dusa Bunchit Resort, I think that's how you pronounce it. I got the berry lover smoothie. It was 150 baht, so it is a little more expensive than the mainland. I think I'm used to paying 60, 70 baht in Bangkok, but let's see if it's worth it. Definitely worth it. Oh my god, it's really good, especially with this view. Berry lover smoothie. The berry lover was absolutely delicious. I think we're in an area we're not supposed to be in. I think it was private only, but what are you gonna do? Don't ask, don't tell. And we're heading out right now. I'm not sure where we're gonna go next. Either a beach, a viewpoint, the main area. Who knows? You'll see in a second. So we just made it to the middle of nowhere. We found two guys who were looking for this bay that we're looking for, and they were brought to the wrong spot too. So we're just confirming we're in the wrong spot right now. The road is so bad. It's like really dirt. It's worse up here. Look at this. Yeah, I don't know about this. Yeah, I think we're in the wrong place. Yeah, maybe. Might as well park and walk and explore a little more. That's the best part about being on these islands, is exploring the unknown, finding lost treasures, let's say. There's like abandoned houses over here, or places being built up right here. This place looks abandoned, so why not check it out? I almost ran directly into that spider web with that giant, I don't even know what kind of spider that is. Son of a biscuit! Oh, I got caught in my face. Oh wow, this is kind of cool though. Alright, let's get out of here. Seems like no one's been here for a long time. Just gonna follow you. Oh, yep, no spider webs. So we did not find what we're looking for, and we found an empty shack. I feel itchy. Yep. I feel really itchy now. Oh yeah, there are some stairs here.
They probably just go down to that other house down there though.
Yeah. Oh my god. That's almost... Woo! Hello! Welcome! We found another dead end. Found another abandoned building now. It's locked up. Alright, I don't like to give up on many things, but we might not be able to find this place. It's so hot out right now. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the hottest part of the day basically, and we can't find this beach. I don't even care about the tow. I could jump in the ocean right now if we find it. Dustin's gotta turn around. You can do it! Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh boy, what comes up must go down. Alright, we made it back to
wake your ass up.
Safe ground. Yeah. And yeah, we decided to walk around the main area of town. Show you guys what it looks like. You can see it's like a little road here, a little road there. A lot of souvenir shops, a lot of dive shops, a lot of massages, restaurants it looks like. There's a lot of motorbike rental places, so you can rent a motorbike. A lot of souvenir shops and money exchanges. Woo! Look at that. Not too many people today are out, which is nice. And don't forget, when you're out here, everything's a little bit more expensive than being on the mainland, but everything is negotiable.
7-Eleven tank top.
Oh my god, I should get one of these. 7-Eleven. And a banana bag. Alright, so it's getting really hot out here. Dustin wants to get in the water, but from what we learned 2 days ago, the water out here is so warm. It's like bath water or worse, so you're not really gonna cool down if you go into the water. So we're gonna head back to the resort right now. I think we're gonna chill out at the pool for a little before we get some dinner in a few hours. And yeah, just relax for the next few hours until dinner. The water feels so good out here. Oh my goodness. So we decided not to jump into the ocean. We're gonna jump in the pool. It's a lot cooler. The water in the ocean, it's warmer than bath water. Oh my goodness, it's So nice there. So what I wanted to talk about is island hopping, the cost of island hopping and budgeting. Our flight from Bangkok to Koh Lipe, the first island we went to, costed around 70 American dollars. We had a private taxi, then a ferry that took us to Koh Lipe after our flight. That was taken care of by Maui Resorts. That costed total about $50 to $60 per person. So just getting from Bangkok to Koh Lipe's resort costed around $110, $120. It definitely can get a little pricey depending on the route you did it. There's other routes that you could take it, there's other websites that you could take it, but we wanted something really easy and a direct way to get there, which our resort took care of. And then everything on Koh Lipe was a little bit pricier compared to the mainland. Like I said, we went to 7-Eleven. A toasty was 38 baht instead of 25 baht. Little things like pad thai, like beer, was a little bit more expensive, $3 compared to $1.50, $2, so it's a little pricier. Still not too bad at all. After Koh Lipe, we went to Koh Samui, which is on the inner part of Thailand. That consisted of a ferry ride, a 5-6 hour taxi ride, then another ferry ride. I think the total price of that was around $90, so we paid about $60 to $70 just for the ferry and the taxi ride to the resort, and then we paid for the ferry going to Koh Samui, which costed only about $4 or $5. Total price around $70 to get from Koh Lipe to Koh Samui, so it's not too bad. And then once you get out to the islands like Koh Samui, you're surrounded by Koh Phangan, Koh Tao. There's so many different islands in this general area. It's not that bad to island hop then. So our ferry from Koh Samui to Koh Tao costed about $20, which we booked online through Koh Samui Ferry, or I think it's called Samui Ferry. Not that bad of a price once you get out to the main area of the islands where all the islands are at. Again, Koh Lipe was a little tougher to get out to. It's deemed the most beautiful island in all of Thailand. It is like the Maldives of Thailand, let's say. The water is absolutely beautiful, but when you're out in Koh Tao, you get just the same amount of beauty, I feel like. Look at this. And the sun has been perfect the last couple of days. So again, if you are going out to these islands, it does cost a little bit more money. You could definitely do it the cheaper way too. There's tons of hostels that are $5, $10, $15 a night instead of spending what we've spent. So we did set up some awesome collaborations the last 2 weeks. Again, you could go a lot cheaper based on the way you want to travel, but this has been an awesome time so far in Koh Tao. We've been here for 2 nights so far, and the weather has been absolutely perfect. Unfortunately, I cut my toe pretty badly 2 days ago, the day that we got here, so I'm not going to be island hopping. However, I don't know if you've seen from my previous vlog, I'm going to be in Bangkok, Thailand for a while now. I have a big project starting in the middle of July, so I do plan on island hopping later on this year, hopefully towards the end of the year or the beginning of next year when the weather is perfect out here. But can't complain right now. The weather is great right now in Koh Tao. I have no idea what's going on. It's rainy season and it's slow season, and we're gonna enjoy today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hang out in the pool today. We're gonna get some dinner in about 2-3 hours. We're gonna have an early dinner. Dustin has a 6:30 a.m. dive, so I think he's diving tomorrow. He has 2 dives at 6:30 a.m. It starts and should end at around 11 or 12. I'm gonna be editing all day tomorrow. Tomorrow's our last day in Koh Tao, and it has been a perfect 2 weeks. I absolutely love the island life. Yeah, this cat's been hanging out with us for the last like 2 hours while we're chilling. You look good, cat. And part of our hotel has a pretty awesome restaurant. It's like right on the water. That's where we had breakfast at this morning. And they have a pool table. So we're gonna have a few drinks. We're gonna have some dinner. The sun's gonna be setting in about an hour-ish, I'd say. It's around 5 o'clock. And we're gonna get some dinner and play some pool games. Cheers. May the best man win.
Cheers, here we go.
All right, on the 8 ball for the win for game 2 to go 2-0. Oh no! Sorry, Dustin. Cup and cup. All right, guys, we made it to Venice, Italy. Just kidding, we made it to a pizza place right by the pier. So the pizza here is about 270 baht. That's just under $9-10. So it's not a bad price, but it is island prices. I think in Bangkok I was getting pizzas for around 150 baht to 200 baht. A little more expensive, but this is what it looks like. So I ordered was pizza with salami, and I ordered some beef, I think, some sausage. And this is what we got for 270 baht. It came with a free Coke. I'm not really a Coke drinker or a soda drinker, but I guess I'll take a free Coke. I'm probably not gonna drink it all. And yeah, we're gonna have some dinner right now, head back to the hotel for a little, and chill out at the hotel then. We were basically craving American pizza, and we found it. How's the first slice?
Looks pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
All right.
It's hot.
It's hot. Doesn't look that bad. Alright guys, so I made it back to Bangkok about 4 days ago, 3-4 days ago. We've been here for about 3 nights already, and Dustin went his own separate ways, so that was Dustin's last vlog. It's gonna be really sad not to be traveling with Dustin. I traveled with him for about the last 3 months, a little more than 3 months I think, and it was awesome time with Dustin. He's in a ton of the vlogs and he's helped out a lot. It's been so much fun, and it was an awesome time island hopping. So yes, I've been in Bangkok so far for about 3 nights, and I'm leaving today since it's the 29th. It's 30 full days since I got to Bangkok. The last time, I think it was from Singapore. Dustin and I did a Singapore run, and it's been 30 full days today. So tonight I have a flight at 8:30, and I am heading to, drumroll please, that's kind of hard. I'm heading to Cambodia. So this is very, very exciting. I'm heading to Cambodia for the next 2 weeks, but for the first 9 days, I'm gonna be with my friend Rachel. I think you've seen her in one of the vlogs, specifically the Koh Tao vlog. Rachel and I will be heading to Cambodia. We're gonna be in Phnom Penh for a couple days, relaxing there. Then we're gonna be in Sinakville for 1 day, and I'm super stoked to be going back to Longset for 5 nights, 6 days. They're gonna be setting us up, taking care of us. It was an amazing, amazing time at Longset. Last time I was there for, I think I was there for 4 nights, 5 days. I made 2 vlogs out there in Longset, and it was just such an amazing atmosphere, relaxing atmosphere, beach atmosphere. Not too many people realize that Cambodia has beautiful, beautiful islands. So we're heading to Longset, and I'm not gonna be vlogging for the next, I'd say 9-10 days. It'll be more like a vacation. I've been traveling, making vlogs for the last almost 4 months now, and if you guys saw the behind the scenes, there's a lot of editing, there's a lot of filming, there's a lot of late nights editing that goes behind the work here to what I'm doing, and I'm super stoked to have a quick little 9-day vacation. As you can see in the room, I am in Empool Villas. I'm gonna be heading back to Empool Villas, working on a big project after Cambodia for 2 weeks, heading back directly to Bangkok. And you can see I'm leaving today, so I only have 2 bags right there. And then yeah, Empool Villas. And heading to Cambodia tonight. So Phnom Penh, Sinakville, Longset. Then I'm gonna be in Phnom Penh for 1 full week vlogging there. So I have an awesome collaboration set up with a hotel and with a tour company. So you guys will see some Phnom Penh, some more Cambodia vlogs before I get back out to Bangkok. I hope you guys enjoyed my Thailand series. I think it's about 14-15 vlogs out in Thailand. There's gonna be more vlogs out in Thailand after Cambodia vlog. And then after Bangkok, I'll be heading to maybe Myanmar, maybe Laos. I'm not 100% sure. It'll be somewhere fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna enjoy the next 9-10 days in Cambodia, specifically at Longset Resort, then Phnom Penh vlogs, back to Thailand vlogs, then who knows what. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit the like button, comment down below. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for my Phnom Penh vlogs that'll be coming out in about 10 days-ish. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers, guys.